Welcome to the English classroom. Today in this class we shall study our grammar chapter negative sentences. Now let us read these sentences. Sita is very happy. Rita is ill. I will go to the party. It is raining. Rohan has a book. So we see these sentences are positive sentences. On one hand, there are positive sentences and on the other hand, there are negative sentences. Sita is very happy. Sita is not very happy. Rita is ill. Rita is not ill. I will go to the party. I will not go to the party. It is raining. It is not raining. Rohan has a book. Rohan has no book. So students, can you spot any difference between the two types of sentences? Yes, you guessed it right. The difference is that negative sentences have the word not or no in them. So the meaning of negative sentence is clear now. A negative sentence is a sentence that has a not or no in it. The words like not and no make a sentence negative. We will learn the position of not. In a sentence, when the verb consists of a single word, we add no or not after the verb. If the verb is a single word, then we have to add no or not after the verb. For example, she is intelligent. This is a positive sentence and is the verb here. It is single word and we will add not after is. To make it negative, we will add not after is. She is not intelligent. So this is a negative sentence. Second sentence we will see. She has a pen. Positive sentence. Has is the verb. It is a single word. We will put no after has to make it negative. She has no pen. Now we have seen the use of verbs which are single word. And now when the verbs are made of two or more words, then where is the position of no or not? We will see. In sentences where verbs are made of two or more words, we put not after the first verb to make the sentence negative. So what it says, that if the verb consists of two or more words, we have to put not where? After the first word. After the first word, we will put not and then the sentence will become negative. For example, she is singing a song. This is a positive sentence and the verb in this sentence is singing. The verb is of two words. Is singing, is the first word and singing is the second word. So what we have to do to make it negative? We have to put not after the first word, that is. She is not singing a song. This is a negative sentence. To make an imperative sentence negative, we put do not or don't in the beginning of the sentence. Imperative sentences are the sentences that are used for giving commands, orders, requests. We put do not or don't in the beginning of such sentence to make it negative. For example, come inside. This is a positive sentence. To make it negative, we have to add don't in the beginning. Don't come inside. So this is the negative word don't in the beginning of the sentence. Second example we will see, clap your hands. This is a positive imperative sentence. To make it negative, we have to put do not or don't in the beginning of the sentence. Don't clap your hands. So don't is used as the negative word in the beginning of the sentence.